It doesn't take much to realize that Samsung took design inspiration from the Apple AirPods when it made the Galaxy Buds 3 series. It's immediately evident that the new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro wireless earbuds and their charging case don't look anything like the previous Buds models but are closer to the AirPods in their looks and presentation. We thought this may have hurt the product, but as we're about to discuss in our Galaxy Buds 3 Pro review video, that thankfully hasn't happened. These new Samsung earbuds are pretty great. We spent some time with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro wireless earbuds for our video review, which you can watch below. We analyzed the new design, how these latest Pro earbuds fit the ear, and how the revamped control scheme works. We also looked at the completely redesigned case, battery life, sound quality, audio features, and more. In doing so, we realized that Samsung made the right choices here, even if it meant taking some design inspiration from Apple. Check out our Galaxy Buds 3 Pro video below for more details. What's great is that even if Samsung applied a more practical design formula to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, it didn't create a carbon copy of Apple's product. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro earbuds have a very unique and strong identity. And despite similarities in the form factor, nobody would mistake them or the carrying case for Apple products. All things considered, what we ended up with is a pair of true Galaxy earbuds that, in Samsung fashion, aimed to be better than their predecessors. Thankfully, they succeeded in many ways. Don't forget our Galaxy Buds 3 Pro video review above for a more in-depth look at these earbuds. And you can also check out our written Galaxy Buds 3 Pro review for more information. If you want to buy a Buds 3 Pro pair, remember to check out Samsung's trade-in discounts and bundle deals at the company's eShop. In most markets, trade-in and bundle offers can help you lower the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro price substantially.